Wow. Wow. Great, just great. You just had to take the shortcut. Mm-hmm. Oh, don't look at me like that. I said the road looked dangerous. Try to call someone. No signal? No signal. Fantastic. Wait. You're seriously shivering already? No, I'm not giving you my jacket. Stop staring. Stop staring. Fine. Here. Don't make this weird. No, I'm not trying to be nice to you. I mean, you're human like me. Fireplace barely works. Oh, before you say anything, no, I'm not cuddling you for warm. What? That's bullshit. That's a real survival technique. Wow. You sound way too happy about this. Move over then. Just for a little bit. Give me your hand. My God, your hands are freezing. Why are your hands always this cold? Stop smiling. I'm not blushing. Just warm in here. You smell like snow and coffee. Shut up. I'm trying to sleep. Why are you looking at me like that? You're being unusually quiet. You always talk before. It's creepy now. What? No. I never said I hate you. I said you were annoying. You are annoying. That's a difference. You really remember that? My God. I don't know, that was like 2 years ago. You kept the scarf? Idiot. Come closer. You're still cold. If the storm gets worse, we might be stuck here all night. So, Don't move. You're shaking again. No, not from the cold. I can feel it. Your heartbeat's ridiculously loud right now. Your heartbeat is like dum dum dum. What do you mean mine? Shut up. Shut up. This is your fault anyway. If you weren't so impossible all the time, maybe this wouldn't feel so weird. Because you only flirt when you want to win arguments. And because you always smirk after saying something unfairly attractive. Yeah, like that. See? That face. You're doing it right now. No, don't lean in like that. We're already too close. Your nose is cold. Stop rubbing it against my neck. You're unbelievable. No. No, I did not just make that sound. It's nothing. You heard nothing. It's snowing out there. I can barely see outside anymore. It feels like the whole world is here. Like it's just us in here, which just honestly terrifying. Because you've been looking at me all night like you're trying to figure something out. What do you mean? You already know. Know what? What? Know what? Tell me. Oh, don't say it like that. Not that. You'll make me nervous. I hate it. I hate this. When you get gentle. And because it's easier to fight when you're being annoying. But when you look at me like that, I don't know what to do. Why are you holding my hand? Wow, seriously? You don't realize what you do to me. Oh, you love teasing me. Your stupid little green. Then you're standing too close. I notice everything. So if you're messing with me right now, don't. Because I don't think I can pretend anymore either. I'm not kissing you back. You kiss me first. Now it's warm.